Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Zaylee Barclay of ZayleeBarclay.com, and today we're talking about adding video to your Facebook page. So this was something that was released some time ago, and the thing about Facebook is that they roll things out differently for different people. It's just like Instagram. We don't always have all of the features at the same time, so sometimes we have to wait for the rollout. I've gotten this video cover image for a while, and so I just decided, hey, why not redo my Facebook page? But I also wanted to help you just create a page that is based on what you want your audience to see, kind of. So you want them to, we have these tabs on the side here. We want them to be able to navigate easily through and understand exactly what we do and how we can help them with ease. So this video shows me creating video because that's what I help you guys to do, just to show up on video even better, and to understand how you can DIY your video situation in a smart way. Like, we got to create smart content, and I talk more about that in my other videos. But one thing that I wanted to do was add my YouTube channel to my Facebook page, because we all know that Facebook does not register views when we post a video inside of Facebook. So why not get our people from Facebook over to YouTube with ease? So I actually added this app, and I will link this down below. I can't link the exact app for some reason. So what you'll do is just head to my page and you will see add this app to your page. And that's how you'll be able to do it. If you like this video, definitely like my Facebook page, because I'm really active on there as well. And I also have an amazing group of people who create videos just like you, who are learning to create videos just like you. So you can also head to that group by hitting visit group. So now let's get into the meat and bones of this video. What I'm going to show you is, first of all, how you are able to, what happens actually after you hit add that app to your page, right? So you're going to end up with something that looks like this with application settings. And so what you're going to do is you're allowed to put two things in there unless you upgrade and pay, which I did not do. So what I did was I put my channel ID in there, and what was easy for me to do was just head to YouTube. So I'm going to head to YouTube right now. And this is my personal YouTube channel. I have two, the one that you're looking at this on, and my personal channel, which you get to know more about me as a person. But what I did was I actually just copied my channel link. So you head to view channel. And what you do is you just grab this link right here, because that's your channel link. And then you plug that in right here, and they change it to fit them, but that's fine. And if you have a video that you want to show up as your main video, like this was my last video where I showed how to shave my head, or how I shave my head. What I did was I actually put that video, I just copied the link of the video itself. So you click on the video, and what you do is you just copy the link of the video, and that's what I pasted into here. And it's that simple. And you just click save settings, and then it will show up like this. I like that you can do different things on it. It actually shows your affiliate links inside of your video. So that was pretty cool. And you are able to subscribe to YouTube as well, directly from Facebook. I thought that was awesome and amazing. And maybe you're able to just share this page itself, that's connected to this app. So that's a way to get your Facebook people over to YouTube. And I actually listed mine as my YouTube channel because I love just talking and teaching about video and the power of video, especially for your brand and business. So definitely think about adding this app to your YouTube, to your Facebook page. Also, so if you want to change the video, the cover of your Facebook page to a video, you just hit change cover, and you're going to upload video, right? So when you upload video, you can also choose from videos that you've uploaded already. So I've already uploaded that video. As you can see, I have lots of videos going on, and you're able to reposition it, and then you're able to publish it. So definitely check out adding a video as your cover. I think it's a really interactive way to relay the message of what your page is about really quickly and instantly. But I am really loving this feature, and I definitely wanted to show it to you guys as well. Also, in your tabs, in your settings, I'll show you how to do that. be sure to, so you just hit edit page, which is 1, 2, 3, and you're able to move your tabs around. So you're able to put what you want first, exactly where you want it. So I have a little about me. I have my YouTube channel, which I just showed you how to set that up. Definitely do that because it can lead people over to your YouTube page. And also, I hit edit settings and I was able to put my YouTube channel, or you could put subscribe to my YouTube channel or whatever it is you want there. And you're also able to move your tabs around, so you put them in order of priority. For me, my YouTube channel is really high up because that's where I want my audience to go to get to know more about me and how I can help them. So guys, thank you so much for heading over here. And I'll talk to you guys pretty soon.